How to set up your class account. You can create classes and add your students if you'd like to. Sign in with your Oxford ID username and password. On the home screen, select Create a Class. Type a name for your class and select Create Class. Your class will be given a class ID code. Students can use this code to join your class. Students can join the class when they register their online practice accounts, or do this at any time afterwards. If you'd like to add students to the class yourself, you can do this straight away. To add students, you'll need each student's full name, each student's email address, and each student's online practice access code if you have them. Access codes are optional and can be added by the students themselves later if you don't have them. On the next screen, select a template file to use. This will usually be the Excel template, but you can also use a CSV file if you prefer. The template will open with some sample information. Delete the sample information before you start adding your students. Type your students' first and last names into columns A and B. In column C, type students' email addresses. If any students already have an Oxford ID account, enter their existing Oxford ID username. In column D, enter a password for each student to use. This password will allow each student to sign in to online practice. Students will need to set their own password after signing in for the first time. In column E, type your students' access codes if you have them, exactly as they are shown on the access cards. You can leave this column blank if you want to, and students can add their own access codes when they sign in and choose their course level. They will then automatically join your class. Save the file to your computer. On the online practice website, select Upload your file. Find your file on your computer and select Open. You will be able to see when your students have signed in and joined the class. Give each student their Oxford ID username and password from your file. Each student will be able to sign in with the details you have set for them and use their Oxford online practice. If you don't have all of the information you need to add students to your class, don't worry. You can always ask students to join with your class ID code. You'll find the code at the top of the edit screen for your class. Need more help? Click the help icon in your online practice website, or you can send us an email.